Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be planting strawberry plants, 150 plants to be exact. Yes, you heard that correctly, 150 plants. In all honesty, it's a bit of an overwhelming task, but we're going to get it done today. So we purchased 3 different varieties, about 50 plants each, and the varieties will be the Ruby June, the Sweet Charlie, and the Chandler. I was planning on planting these about a week ago, but just never had the time. So today, my goal is to get these transplants in their new home so that they can live and not die. As you can see, some of the roots are starting to go brown, but I have hope that they will survive. So the baby's down for an afternoon nap, so I'm trying to get this done in 30 minutes. The original plan was to plant these strawberries in uniform rows, but I quickly realized that I needed to plant them closer to maximize the space if I was going to try and get 50 plants per bed. So my goal here was to get these plants in the ground, and then I figured I could move some later once they're established to other areas of the garden once space becomes available. However, as I plant each plug, I'm making sure not to cover the crown of the plant.
believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.